Sometimes I wish July lasted longer. When it is July, it feels almost never ending. The days are so long and everything's so green. But alas, it did end. But before it ended, we did get this little patio project done. Happy to have a new outdoor area soon. Just needs a little bit more sprucing up. Got these nice chairs and got to decorate. So this space isn't 100% done, but we did get some patio furniture today, which makes it more enjoyable. Can sit out here now. Move some plants. It's getting somewhere. Got this guy today. I think he's really cool. Got little small sunflowers from the bird seed. Aww. What's up, everybody? It's been a while, and things in the garden are looking really overgrown and kind of scary. So I'm gonna try to tackle that today. It's not gonna so much be a garden tour as much as it's gonna be a garden makeover. I have some areas that I never got to when it was springtime, so most of you may know August isn't the best time to plant things. But we're gonna try our best, because let me just show you some stuff real quick. Still have beautiful plants growing like this Joe Pye weed, but I also have some not great Tree of Heaven volunteers, and I still need to make this little garden bed. My veggie garden is going crazy because I haven't really been taking care of it. So we'll try to tackle these issues today. At least I have some veggies though. I am happy about that. Been able to harvest some tomatoes, cucumbers, and beans. I changed so that I'm not dying of heat exhaustion when I'm doing this. But I'm going to start at this little area, start clearing it out. One of my bad habits is buying plants, but then not immediately planting them, and then they like dry and wither away because I'm also bad at watering them. But I was able to get these in the ground before I killed them. Got some hostas that I got from a yard sale, and just kind of was looking around my garden. Still have lots to do, but I got all these decor pieces. I'm trying to make a little wattle fence as the border on the back in between the patio area and the garden. So here I am stripping some leaves from the sumac to put into the fence, and it's a slow process, but it gets there. Weaving between these. It doesn't look great, but it is free, so that's cool. And I love grapevines. Here I got a little bit distracted, but ever since I was little, I've always loved playing with plants outside. I would take my mom's scissors, and she would get upset with me because I had them outside, and it's her sewing scissors, you know, her nice scissors, and I'm out there cutting grass and leaves and making little things with plants outside. So this kind of felt really nice to do. Instead of working on the wattle fence, I started creating a shape with grapevines. I had an idea in mind that I wanted a spider, a little garden spider. So I started braiding and forming these vines into a ball. Really fun. Then I started attaching the legs. And this is a little bit hard to do, but we got there. Decided to add copper wire for support and shininess. Kind of help the bugs sparkle. Did I get sidetracked from my quest to clean up the garden? Of course I did. I made a grapevine spider instead. But I really like the copper wire on him. I think it adds a little bit of structure. Because the grapevine will kind of dry up and change over time. So it's good to add some wire, I think. Don't need to, but I also like that it kind of makes him shiny right now with the green. His legs are a little wonky. But my idea was that I could make a web for him, also out of grapevine. I like him. He's cute. Simple but cute. And I kind of want to hang him on the porch somewhere, like a web, like right there. Spider. We'll see. But I like my spider. He's cute.
He is cute.
This time of year, when it's so hot and dry, it's really important to water in the plants you have newly planted, anything that's getting established. So thankfully I remembered to do that. I bought some hydrangea bushes, a hibiscus, and I wanted to get more, but I didn't from this place. I might eventually. Mulch it is a good idea. I'm running out of mulch, but I still have a little bit left from last year. Nice and decomposing. It'll help out though. I think it's looking pretty cute. I did plant some seeds as well. I'm going to watch for those to see if they'll pop up. They're allowed biennials, like foxglove, delphinium, hollyhock. Then I decided I wanted to make a little brick border with some scrap bricks I have everywhere. I have a bunch of broken bricks all over the house. I do want to maybe mulch a little bit more or maybe add rocks because I feel like it looks incomplete, but it's definitely better than it was. All watered, it looks really nice. My veggie garden beds got a little bit out of hand, but I'm gonna clear out some of the old today and plant some new seeds. I'm a little bit late to doing this, but I can still plant things like lettuce, arugula, spinach, radishes, beets, turnips. So I think I'm gonna do some of that, even though I don't really eat turnips. I've never had one. I wonder if it's yummy, but I like radishes. So yeah, we'll see. Gotta get rid of some of this lettuce that's overgrown and some weeds. Alright, just watered these in, so hopefully they grow pretty good. I got lettuce, radish, spinach, and then I have a different type of lettuce, arugula, and dill. And then I also planted a little bit more of each one to just finish off the seed packets in a different area. I still have some cleaning up to do on this side, but it's getting late. It's been maybe a week since I planted these seeds, maybe a little bit less than, but they are starting to sprout, which is exciting. And my garden beds are still a little bit crazy, but it's definitely a lot better than it was. I think I am about done with most of the cleaning up. I might do a few more things later in a different video, but I got rid of some of the tree of heaven. There's still some along the fence line I need to cut down, but Alex mowed the ones that were in the yard. And I think like for the rest of the year, really my main plan is I want to plant more like fall bulbs, like tulips and daffodils. I want to order some fancy little springtime flowers that I can plant in the fall. But other than that, it's just going to be kind of wild and free. That's okay. Each year it changes a little bit and I get more plants in. Some live, some die. And it'll be fun. I think one of my next projects, maybe I'll do it in a different video this year, but I want to make a garden around this church steeple that we got earlier this summer. Some of you guys may have seen that. But yeah, those are my plans. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.